Here's Gus walking Annie. If I could get Annie to pull the stroller, that'd be great. Come on, Annie. Come on, Annie. Come on. Yeah, she's not used to pulling, huh? You're not used to pulling. Come on. Come on. That ain't gonna happen today. I don't think that's gonna happen today. Do you think it's gonna happen? No. What do you think? Huh, Gus? You want to keep walking, Annie? This way. Good job, Annie. Good job. Let's go. Oh, hold on. Wait. Wait. Here you go, buddy. You ready? Oh, wait. You pulled it out again, Annie. Come here. Here you go, buddy. No pulling, Annie. No pulling. Pretty soon you can do the walking all your own and Mommy and Daddy can stay home, huh? Huh, Gus? But you can't chew on the leash all the time. Hey, Gus. Hey, buddy. Okay, we're gonna keep walking.